What's up everybody? Welcome back in today's video. In this video I'm going to show you how this number 6 is created. It's created in Illustrator. So open Illustrator for that. I'm going to open a new tab. So first of all we want to select the rectangle tool and drag a long small rectangle. Click on the direct selection tool and select with shift the rectangle and pull these white circles all the way in. So for now select this line, press on delete, select the top anchor point, press on Command C and Command V. And we want to make sure these elements don't have a fill color, so we are going to press on none. Select this element over here, drag it onto the bottom side. Select with the direct selection tool these two separated anchor points and combine them by pressing on Command J. Okay, so for now we are going to create the blend. Select the rectangle tool again, draw a rectangle, select it, go to Object, Path, and split into grid. And so we want to make sure it has 5 rows and 5 columns. Press on preview so you can see how it was split. Press on OK. Press on Shift M for the shape builder tool. Now we are going to create one shape inside of it. Select this one, give it a black fill color, and now select the other boxes or squares and give it a white fill color. Press on OK. Click on the outline, click on none, select the whole element with the selection tool and drag it with holding Alt and Shift to the right side of it. Group it, group this one as well, and we want to make sure we rotate this 45 degrees. And now we are going to create the blend in between those objects. Click on Object, go to Blend, Blend Options. And we want to make sure the spacing is on specified steps and make it 1000 steps in between. Press on OK, go to Object again, go to Blend and Make. Okay, this looks quite good. So now select the blend and the path of the number 6. Go to Object again, go to Blend and Replace Spine. So now we can still adjust the elements of the blend or the blend itself. Click on the direct selection tool, select the top part, and I'm going to bring this a little bit in. Double click on the object within the blend. We are going to scale this one a little bit up, make it 20%, press on OK. And the same for this element. Double click on the scale tool, make it 120%, press on OK. So this looks quite good. So for now we want to add a black background to it. Press on the rectangle tool and drag a background. Double click on the fill color, give it a black fill color. Press on the selection tool, press on Command Shift and open bracket to send it to the background. And here it is, the number 6 created with the blend tool in Adobe Illustrator, and I've added the shadows in Photoshop. You can do this as well if you like to. Okay, that was the tutorial video. Thank you all for watching. If you guys like this, please drop a like, follow the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace!